There are actually quite a few hidden gems in Gmail's toolbar that oftentimes get overlooked. Let me show you a couple of them that may help you up your Gmail game. All right, so looking along the bottom of your Gmail toolbar, you're probably pretty familiar with these first couple, the formatting options, the attaching files, the links, and things like that. As you move your way further to the right, however, there's a couple hidden gems that oftentimes get overlooked. So here's the first one, this insert signature. Why is this important? Well, if you are using the email templates within Docs, when you click on it, it does not include your signature. So clicking on this lovely pen will add your signature to those emails. Hint, hint, that's going to be an upcoming video. As I continue my journey a little bit further to the right, I actually have this option called Select a Layout. Now, this one is pretty important because it can make your emails look way more dynamic and give you some options that would help people interact with your content a little bit more. So you have a couple options that perhaps might be useful for you in the future as you are sharing information with your districts or even amongst your teams. Another one that's really kind of handy is this toggling multi-send mode. This actually allows you, when you click on it, to add in various tags of information that will then customize and individualize your emails. But don't forget to look in the three dots under the more options. My favorite one here is this option, the request read receipt. Now, if we send this, what it will do is let us know when someone has opened our email. Does not guarantee that they've actually read it. However, I'm hopefully optimistic that these hidden gems of this Gmail toolbar will help you become even more efficient and dynamic in your communications in your emails. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to a digital learning consultant if you have questions or would like to know more.